If you're struggling with organizing your financial documents without feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. It's a common problem, but it doesn't have to be this way. In fact, by using the right tools, you can transform the chaos into a seamless, stress-free process. And today, I'm going to share the best tools that can help you organize your financial life without any of the usual hassle. Stick with me, because later in the video, I'll show you one tool that could save you hours of time every week, something most people overlook. Now, organizing financial documents is more than just finding the right file on your computer. It's about creating a system that's easy to use, keeps you on track, and actually saves you time. You want a solution that allows you to easily track receipts, expenses, tax records, and investments without spending all your time on it. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. First up, cloud storage platforms. We all know Google Drive, but let me tell you, the best part of using a cloud service for organizing financial documents is the flexibility. You can access everything from any device, anytime. The real power comes in organizing your folders effectively. Instead of just dumping everything in one place, create a folder for each year, and then subfolders for tax returns, investments, insurance, etc. One of the best practices I've learned over the years is to regularly review and clean up your cloud storage, so it doesn't turn into a digital junkyard. If you've got the basics down and your documents are categorized correctly, you'll always know where things are, even in the middle of tax season. Next, let's talk about expense trackers. We all know that keeping an eye on your finances is crucial, but manually tracking every single expense can be a drag. That's where apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, come into play. These tools sync with your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically track and categorize your spending. But here's a pro tip. Make sure you review your categories regularly, because automatic categorization isn't always perfect. With just a few minutes of tweaking each month, you'll have a real-time snapshot of your financial health. And let me tell you, once I started using this, it transformed the way I managed my money. It wasn't just about tracking. Everything was laid out clearly, so I could make smarter decisions in real time. Moving on, let's address one of the biggest pain points: tax season. You don't want to be scrambling for documents when it's time to file. That's where tax organization tools like TaxSlayer or TurboTax come in. These platforms not only help you file your taxes, but they also help you stay organized throughout the year. What most people overlook is how these tools store your previous returns and organize all the documents you've uploaded. It's like having a personal accountant in your back pocket, ready for whenever you need to reference something. And let's be real, in the age of digital everything, the more you can automate and store, the less you have to worry come tax time. Another powerful tool to consider is document scanning apps. Tools like CamScanner or Evernote let you scan and upload paper documents directly into your system. Instead of dealing with paper clutter, you can store everything digitally. This is especially helpful for things like medical receipts, mortgage papers, or insurance claims. The key here is to keep your scanning routine consistent. For instance, I recommend setting aside 10-15 minutes once a week to scan any important documents. It's an easy way to prevent a mountain of paper from piling up. Now, I promised you something important at the beginning of this video. Here it is. Integrating all of these tools into one seamless system can make all the difference. For example, using Zapier to connect your cloud storage, your expense tracker, and your document scanner can automate processes. Imagine having your receipts automatically sorted into the right folders, or your bills automatically paid with just a few clicks. This integration might take a little setup, but once you get the hang of it, it will save you hours of work each week. So, to wrap it all up, if you want to avoid the stress of organizing financial documents, start with cloud storage for easy access, use expense trackers to keep your spending in check, leverage tax tools to stay organized year-round, and don't overlook document scanning apps for the paper clutter. And if you want to take it a step further, integrate everything with a tool like Zapier to automate your financial workflow. If this video helped you simplify your financial organization, consider subscribing to support content that's not driven by affiliate commissions or hidden incentives. This is about real value, and if you found it useful, you'll want to stay tuned for more practical tips like these.